Let me ask you something. When you picture a YouTube channel, what do you see? Probably someone on camera, just like me right now. A face, a personality, a ring light maybe. I'm not using a ring light. I've got my office here that I'm using. It's got plenty of light. A microphone set up, which you can't see, but it's there. That's how most people think it works. And until a few years ago, that's how it did work. But something changed. And the people who figured it out early, including a lot of people our age, are quietly building real income without ever turning on a camera. Today I'm going to show you exactly what a faceless YouTube channel is, how it actually works, and most importantly, whether someone like you can do it. Never really thought about doing anything like this, really. I don't like being on camera, but then I realized, why can't I build my own channel, especially if it's faceless? I want to build residual income. You make a video, it lives on YouTube forever, unless they take it down for some odd reason. Never really thought about doing anything like this. Then I realized, why can't I build my own channel that will give me some residual income in my retirement years? The only holdup? The camera. Who wants to be on camera at 65 years old? After all, I could do a faceless channel. What you'll see in all my videos for this channel, the real me doing an intro just like this, screwing it up. I'm human, so I'm going to do that. And then also the outro. So the first portion is going to be me, the last portion is going to be me, and me on camera. I just realized I needed to do that to go ahead and give you some actual knowledge that you don't have to if you don't want to. I just wanted you to see that who I am, and I'm not some 30-year-old passing myself as a 65-year-old. I'm about a year and a half out from retirement, and I want to build this thing now before I get to that point. Pretty much everything that you'll see in between that intro and that outro is all faceless. It's helped out with AI. AI does a lot of the work for me. AI will clone your voice. AI helps me do the videos. It helps me do the script. It helps me do everything. So who can do this? That's the biggest question, right? The short answer is anybody. A retiree, grandparent. You know, there's no age limit on one. If you've got something to contribute, you can do a channel. Why not? Why not be able to do anything you wanted to do? Build yourself some income. So take a look at the video, and then I'll talk to you a little bit more on the other end.
There are YouTube channels right now, active, growing, making real money, where the person behind them has never once appeared on screen. No face, no studio, no camera setup, just a voice, some visuals, and information people are already searching for. Some of these channels have tens of thousands of subscribers. Some have hundreds of thousands. Some of them are run by people in their 50s, 60s, and 70s, from their kitchen tables, their back porches, their RVs parked somewhere in Arizona. And here's the part that stops most people cold when they first hear it. The faceless model, no camera, no on-screen presence, often outperforms traditional face-forward channels in the topics that matter most to our generation. Personal finance, health, life experience, retirement, real estate, the things we actually know. Today we're going to break down exactly how this works. And by the end of this video, you're going to know whether it's something you can build. Let's define the term clearly, because there's a lot of confusion about it. A faceless YouTube channel is simply a channel where the creator never appears on camera. That's it. That's the whole definition. The content is built from three things: a script, a voiceover, and visuals. The script is the written content, the information, the story, the value the viewer came for. The voiceover is an audio narration of that script. It can be your real voice recorded on a decent microphone, or it can be an AI-generated voice cloned from your own recording, sounding exactly like you without you sitting down to record every single word. And the visuals are stock footage, licensed clips from libraries like Storyblocks, edited together to match what the voiceover is talking about. Put those three things together, add some light background music, and you have a YouTube video, a real one, a professional one that YouTube's algorithm treats exactly the same as a channel where someone sat in front of a ring light for an hour. YouTube doesn't care if there's a face. YouTube cares if people watch and keep watching, which means the only thing that determines whether your channel grows is whether the content is worth watching, not how you look, not how old you are, not how comfortable you are on camera, whether the content is worth watching. And content worth watching, that comes from knowledge, from experience, from having actually lived through things, which, as it turns out, is something our generation has in deep supply. I don't want you to take my word for any of this. So let's talk about what's actually working out there with real numbers. A single well-performing video in the finance niche can generate $3 to $15 per thousand views in ad revenue. The finance niche average is $8 to $15, among the highest on YouTube. A video with 100,000 views at $10 CPM equals $1,000 from ads alone. The same video also promotes an affiliate offer in the description. Affiliate commissions add $200 to $2,000 or more depending on the product, and the video keeps earning every day it continues to get views. A small but consistent channel, 10 videos averaging 20,000 views each, works out to 200,000 total monthly views. At $10 CPM, that's $2,000 a month from ads alone. Add affiliate commissions, and you're looking at $2,500 to $4,000 a month from 10 videos without a camera. Now, I want to be straight with you. Those numbers don't happen overnight. Building a channel that performs at that level takes time, consistency, and learning what your audience actually wants to watch. But here's what's important to understand about this model. Every video you publish is a permanent asset. A video you upload today can earn money 3 years from now, 5 years from now. It doesn't clock out. It doesn't call in sick. It doesn't ask for a raise. We spent our careers trading time for money. Show up, do the work, get paid. Stop showing up. Stop getting paid. This model flips that equation. You do the work once and it keeps paying you. That's not a fantasy. That's how digital content assets work. Let me answer the question in the title of this video directly. Yes, a retiree can do this, not as a charity case, not as a nice story, as a legitimate business builder with advantages most 25-year-olds don't have. A 65-year-old talking about retirement income, healthcare costs, or managing a home is automatically more credible than a 28-year-old reading from a script. Your audience is looking for someone who has lived this, not studied it, lived it. 50 years of life experience is not a liability on YouTube. It is your competitive advantage, full stop. Most 30-year-olds building YouTube channels are doing it between a full-time job, small kids, and everything else that comes with that season of life. You have mornings, you have afternoons, you have the ability to sit down for 2 focused hours without someone needing something from you. That kind of consistent, focused time applied to building something compounds, the same way good investments compound. 3 years ago, building a Faceless channel required video editing skills, graphic design knowledge, and a working understanding of SEO strategy. Today, AI tools write scripts, generate voiceovers in your cloned voice, suggest thumbnails, and help you identify what topics your audience is already searching for. The technical wall that kept people like us out of this space for years, it's basically gone. What's left is the part we're actually good at having something worth saying. Now I'm going to give you the honest version too. This takes time to build. Most channels don't earn meaningful income in the first 3 months. There's a learning curve. It's not steep, but it's real. You will publish videos that don't perform the way you hoped. That's not failure, that's data. But here's what I know about people who made it to retirement, people who raised families, built careers, survived recessions, buried people they loved, and kept going. A learning curve is not a wall. We've climbed steeper things. Let me make this real by walking you through what a typical week actually looks like. Monday topic and script, 60 to 90 minutes. Research what your audience is searching for. Pick one topic. Use an AI tool to help draft the outline, refine it in your own voice. Add your stories, make it yours. Tuesday voiceover, 30 to 45 minutes. Paste the final script into 11 Labs. Your AI cloned voice reads it, you review and adjust pacing. Export the audio file, done. Wednesday visuals, 60 to 90 minutes. Search story blocks for footage that matches each section. Download the clips. Thursday edit and assemble. 90 to 120 minutes. Drop footage and voiceover into your editor. Align visuals to the audio. Add music. Add any text overlays. Export the finished video. Friday upload and optimize. 30 to 45 minutes. Upload to YouTube. Write the description. Add tags and thumbnail. Schedule publish time. Done. Week complete. Total active time to produce one quality video, roughly 5 to 7 hours. Not in one sitting, spread across 5 mornings, 2 hours here, an hour there. The first video always takes the longest. By video 10, you'll wonder what all the fuss was about. Quick disclosure, some links in the description are affiliate links. If you click and make a purchase, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. I only recommend things I personally looked at. That's the deal. If what you've seen in this video makes sense to you, the next logical question is, where do I actually learn to do this? The single most useful structured training I found for building a faceless YouTube channel is Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization. Matt built his first channel at 14. He's since built and monetized multiple channels across different niches, and he's taught thousands of people from all backgrounds and all ages how to do the same. I'll be straight with you. I went through it myself before I started recommending it, because the last thing I want to do is waste your time or your money on something I haven't personally reviewed. The link is in the description. Take a look on your own terms. And if you want to see the full picture of what I'm building with this, the pillar video is linked there too. Start there if you haven't watched it yet. Credibility for what you know, not what you look like.
So that's a faceless YouTube channel. Real question answered. No camera, no studio, no tech degree, just your voice, what you know, and a few tools that do the heavy lifting. Can a retiree do this? You already know the answer to that. You're looking at them right here. I'm doing it. Why can't you do it? There's no reason you can't do it. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to use your voice. There's tools for that. I'm going to show you that throughout this whole series. So if you like what you've seen and you feel it's useful, subscribe. Go ahead and comment down below. Tell me what your woes about retirement are. Tell me what kind of channel you'd like to build. There's a lot of things I want to build. I've built a lot of things already that I'm just loving doing this. It's very creative. If you want to see how I'm putting this video together, I got some guidance. And go ahead and the link to the pillar video is in the description below. Take a look at it. It'll give you a full picture of everything. And then see what happens. Don't be afraid to do it. Just go ahead and live a life and share your knowledge. That's what you need to do. Until the next video, take care, everybody.